Could the future of Bitcoin hinge on something called an ETF approval? And if so, how might this impact its price? These are the questions we're going to tackle today. So, buckle up and get ready for a deep dive into the world of Bitcoin ETFs. Firstly, let's clarify what a Bitcoin ETF, or exchange-traded fund, actually is. Essentially, it's a type of investment fund and exchange-traded product, traded on traditional stock exchanges. A Bitcoin ETF holds assets in Bitcoin and tracks the price of the cryptocurrency. The purpose of a Bitcoin ETF is to provide investors with exposure to Bitcoin without the need to directly own the cryptocurrency itself. But how does one get approved? The process is quite rigorous. In the United States, for instance, the Securities and Exchange Commission, or SEC, is responsible for approving ETFs. They scrutinize the proposal, considering factors such as the ETF structure, its potential for market manipulation, and the readiness of the market to accept such a product. So, how might a Bitcoin ETF approval affect the price of Bitcoin? It's a bit like a domino effect. First, an approval could potentially increase the legitimacy of Bitcoin in the eyes of investors, particularly institutional ones. This could lead to an increase in demand for Bitcoin, which in turn could drive up its price. Additionally, an approval could potentially make Bitcoin more accessible to a wider range of investors, which could further drive demand and therefore price. But remember, while these are potential outcomes, they are by no means guaranteed. The world of cryptocurrency is volatile and unpredictable, and many factors can influence the price of Bitcoin. In summary, a Bitcoin ETF is a type of investment fund that tracks the price of Bitcoin. Its approval could potentially increase the legitimacy and accessibility of Bitcoin, which could drive up demand and price. However, the volatile nature of cryptocurrency means that these outcomes are not guaranteed. So, as we look to the future, we find ourselves in a world of uncertainty. Will Bitcoin ETFs be the catalyst for a Bitcoin boom, or just another bump in the road? Only time will tell. For now, we watch, we wait, and we continue to navigate the ever-evolving landscape of cryptocurrency.